You guys are in my neighborhood. You guys need to stop.
I'll call John.
I don't call John. I don't care. You guys are in my neighborhood. I'm going to be getting in trouble for it because this is my property. None of you guys are invited here, Stephanie.
Call it.
Look at that ass in his yard.
So if you're gonna fucking
You were
talk
supposed to
your
comment
shit,
too. Shut up.
don't fucking tell me. Shut the fuck up. We were gonna fucking comment too.
This is really funny.
Call it.
Go away from me. Why? You want to start something? I'm getting my fucking sister out here.
That's all you can fucking do is get your sister. Damn, back your shit up that you fucking talk.
You guys, just let you know, that guy standing right there about to call the fucking cops. Or come over here and like rape you guys. That guy coming out of his yard.
Oh my god, just great. Great. Now I'm on the
That guy's gonna stick his penis up your ass. Guys, people crying.
They need to go the fuck home. You guys need to stay here.
Sydney, what are your views on this fight?
Dude, I'm gonna kick the kid's ass. Oh my god.
They fucking threw a little girl on the ground.